What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the chart, Bitcoin's price is currently $64,734. So we have seen a slight increase in price in today's price as opposed to yesterday's price. As you can see, Bitcoin is still sort of trading in this consolidated pattern, horizontal like pattern. These are very good patterns to see across all markets beyond crypto. These patterns usually indicate a more steadiness in the price. So we've seen a lot of volatility, but we've seen very good patterns. Like on the bottom trend line, we have 4 touch points followed by the top trend line, which has 3 touch points. So we've seen stable touch points, multiple touch points, which is usually very good. We've seen some type of stability in price as seen drawn with the green arrow, the green marker in the channel. Excuse me, not the green arrow, the green marker. I do believe we continue to trade in that pattern for the foreseeable future. As seen indicated with the orange top arrow, we could break the top trend line and go parabolic or upward in price, not necessarily parabolic. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act and the Middle Eastern conflict. We could also break that bottom trend line as indicated with the orange arrow and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the economics, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1-hour chart setup. I do want to show you guys the 4-hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is still currently trading at about $64,767. So roughly similar compared to the 1-hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this descending like channel. It's been trading like this in the 4-hour chart for some time now. As always, you guys, price reflection takes longer on the 4-hour chart as opposed to the 1-hour chart. I usually say that from time to time just to inform you that the candlesticks on the 4-hour chart are actually 4 hours worth of trading activity. The candlesticks on the 1-hour chart represent 1 hour's worth of trading activity. So just keep that in mind. As you can see, in the channel with the green marker, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, that's just my opinion. Patterns also aren't a great indicator of what the price can do next. Even though the descending pattern is usually across all markets considered a more bearish pattern, we've seen instances before where that can turn bullish, depending on the macro conditions. But Bitcoin, Bitcoin's macro conditions are the Clarity Act and Middle Eastern conflict. So if any of those things go a certain particular way, that can influence the price of what Bitcoin does next, not necessarily the pattern itself. But as you can see all over the top trend line, I do have the orange arrow. That's just an indicator that Bitcoin could break that top trend line and move upward. Same with the bottom orange arrow. That's just an indicator that we could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1-hour, 4-hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you use any other indicators or any other ways to view your technical analysis? I would love to know those new techniques. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.